When it comes to upgrading or replacing your windows, the process can seem daunting. Whether you're looking to enhance energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, or increase the overall comfort of your home, replacing windows is a significant investment. However, like any major home improvement project, window replacement can be fraught with pitfalls. In Mesa, where the weather can fluctuate dramatically from hot summers to cooler winters, choosing the right windows and the correct installation process is essential. Here are some common window replacement mistakes homeowners make and how you can avoid them. Choosing the wrong window style. One of the most frequent mistakes homeowners make is selecting a window style that doesn't suit their home's aesthetic or function. Mesa homes vary widely in architectural style, from modern to traditional Southwest designs. It's important to match your new windows with your home's overall look. For example, a sleek, modern home may look out of place with rustic wood frame windows. Likewise, large picture windows might not work well in a home with smaller rooms or if privacy is a concern. Do your research or consult with a professional to choose a window that complements both your home's architecture and your specific needs. Overlooking energy efficiency. In Mesa's climate, energy efficiency is paramount. With scorching summer heat and relatively chilly winters, your windows play a significant role in maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. Failing to select energy-efficient windows can lead to higher utility bills and less comfortable living spaces. Many homeowners opt for the cheapest option without considering the long-term impact. Energy-efficient windows, while initially more expensive, offer excellent insulation, UV protection, and can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. Ensure that your windows are rated for energy efficiency by looking for ENERGY STAR labels or other performance certifications. Neglecting proper installation. Even the best windows can fail if they're not installed correctly. Poor installation is one of the leading causes of window-related issues, including drafts, leaks, and condensation. In Mesa, where dust storms and intense sunlight can take a toll on window seals, a poor installation can lead to expensive repairs and a diminished lifespan of your windows. Always hire a licensed and experienced contractor who specializes in window replacement. Avoid DIY installation unless you have professional training. Mistakes during installation could void warranties and lead to future problems. Ignoring local building codes and regulations. Mesa, like all cities, has building codes that regulate window installation to ensure safety and energy efficiency. Many homeowners overlook these codes, especially if they're replacing windows on a home that's already built. Failure to comply with these regulations can lead to fines or even require you to remove or replace windows again. It's crucial to consult with a local contractor who is familiar with Mesa's specific building codes and can ensure that your window replacement project complies with all requirements. Focusing only on cost. While it's understandable to want to stay within your budget, basing your window choice solely on cost can lead to disappointment. Cheaper windows may lack important features such as durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Instead of focusing solely on the price tag, it's important to consider the long-term value of your windows. A slightly higher initial investment in quality windows can pay off over time with lower energy bills and fewer maintenance issues. Prioritize quality, performance, and energy efficiency to avoid costly replacements in the future. Not considering maintenance needs. Some windows require more upkeep than others, and it's easy to overlook how much time and effort you're willing to invest in maintaining your windows. For example, wood windows may look beautiful but require regular sealing and painting to prevent rot. On the other hand, vinyl and fiberglass windows are low maintenance but may not offer the same aesthetic charm. In Mesa, where dust and dirt can accumulate quickly, opting for windows that are easy to clean and maintain is a wise decision. Be sure to choose a window material that fits both your lifestyle and your maintenance preferences. Forgetting about window security. Finally, it's easy to forget that windows aren't just about aesthetics and energy efficiency, they're also about security. Windows that are easy to break into can pose a safety risk, especially in areas with high crime rates or homes that are more isolated. When replacing your windows, be sure to choose secure locking mechanisms, impact-resistant glass, and reinforced frames. If you're concerned about safety, consider adding security features like window sensors or motion detection lighting. Conclusion: replacing windows in your Mesa home is an exciting opportunity to improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic. However, making the right choices during this process is key to ensuring lasting benefits. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as choosing the wrong window style, neglecting energy efficiency, or skimping on proper installation, you'll set yourself up for a successful window replacement project that enhances the value and functionality of your home for years to come.